The Streamfeeder product line is actually part of Berry Waymiller Integrated Systems. And what we do is we build end-of-line solutions for the packaging industry. Well, a few years ago, our flagship feeder, the ST1250, had kind of reached its end of life cycle. A lot of the components in it were old and quite outdated, and were becoming obsolete to the point where we couldn't even get them from our suppliers anymore. This means that we had to go out and design our next generation of feeders. Now, we had heard about Mitsubishi in the marketplace. They had very small and compact components, their motors, their drives, and we felt that those would probably fit into our existing framework, so we gave them a call. They came in, and we were very, very happy. Not only did their components fit, they also had a great reputation in the marketplace. They had superb support. They keep their product in stock so we can get it in a timely fashion. And all of this together means that not only do we have a great quality product that our customers love, we can also provide it to them in a timely fashion that they need and expect. When we started working with Mitsubishi, we were very pleased. Past companies we worked with always were able to tell us, what they had to offer and gave us support, but Mitsubishi actually had more of a partner type attitude. Not only did they tell us what they had, they actually worked with us to design and incorporate their components into our equipment. They took it another step. In fact, they actually put together a complete control box for us that did exactly what we needed it to do. And as we needed to replace other pieces of equipment or develop some new equipment, Mitsubishi was right there to work with us. And one exciting thing that happened is they said, well, we can do Wi-Fi with these too. And that really will open some doors. And came up with our newest feeder, the IT series of feeders. The IT stands for intelligent. And that's because now this feeder can do things that no other feeder in the market can do. And that's help you run your business. And what I mean by that is you can actually plug this into your network and you can run reports. They could be real-time reports. Production manager can sit at his desk, bring it up and look at it and say, well, we're an hour into the job, we've got an hour left. But they can also pull up reports that give them a historical look. On average, how much uptime, how much downtime, what have their average run rates been? It's really useful information for them. We're very excited about our future with the relationship we've developed with Mitsubishi. And with our knowledge of the feeder industry, their knowledge of the trends coming from a technology standpoint, I can only see exciting new products down the line, all because we developed a relationship with Mitsubishi.